Hello, my name is Morgan, and I am a 24. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Morgan, and this is my little corner of the internet to share my passions. I'm a 28-year-old mom of 4 from Ontario, Canada, who's currently going through a wellness/weight loss journey. I wanted to record my journey on video because I wanted to look back in a couple years at how far I've come. I chose the name Avocado Mom simply because I love avocados. Literally no other reason. Maybe I just remind myself of an avocado. Maybe I'm just plain. I'm kind of bland. I'm kind of plain. I designed and drew the logo myself on my iPad, and then I came up with a slogan. I want to use this platform of making videos and sharing my journey to hopefully inspire other people and get inspiration from other people who are kind of going through the same things as me. I've debated on doing this for a very long time, and I'm finally at the point where I just need to do it. I'm almost 30. This is the last year of my 20s, and yeah. When I made the decision to start wanting to do a blog or vlogs or videos or whatever it is, I was trying to think of a niche that I could niche down to make it more specific for viewers. But then I realized that I can't do that. I have so many passions and so many ideas that I just cannot focus on one thing. So I decided to make a list of all of my favorite things, and I came up with 5 different categories: motherhood, fashion, DIY, wellness, and laughter. These all describe me very well. I love every single one of these topics, and I am passionate about them. I've been a mom for so long, and I've never explored who I am as an adult and as a person, because I've just had the motherhood tag for so long. I want this journey to be more than about my wellness and my weight loss. Although my weight loss is the main reason for me documenting this journey, I also want to step out of my comfort zone and start sharing my other passions. I guess just to have an outlet for myself, so I'm not just Morgan the mom, you know? It's hard to find out who you are when you're in the depths, in the trenches of motherhood. It's rough, it's dirty sometimes, it's stressful, it's loving, it's fun, of course, but there's this whole other part of me that is not just a mom. And for me, focusing on my weight loss now, my wellness, and getting back into artwork and all these other things, I just want to share them with the world for no other reason than I want to share it. And what has gone on with my weight the last couple of years. Just to give you a small summary of what has happened, I had a very rough pregnancy with my 4th child. I had hyperemesis gravidarum, which is where you cannot keep any food down. You just throw it all back up. It comes back up. And then at the end of that pregnancy, I had a spinal fluid leak from a epidural. I was in the intensive care unit. I had a seizure. I was a couch potato for the first 2 years of her life. I could not function. And I gained 100 pounds from that experience. It was very traumatic, and it has really shaped the way I live my life now. I'm very lucky to be alive, and I don't want to hold back anymore on what I want to do in life just because I'm self-conscious of my body. So this is a way to keep me accountable. It's a way to keep me encouraged and inspired, and hopefully meet a whole community of people who are going through the same thing. And I would love it if you wanted to comment below if you're experiencing any of this stuff, because Lord knows that all of us moms can use a big helping hand and an extra support no matter where it comes from. I don't want to blabber on in this video, but I just wanted to make an introduction just to get this video done. I have been debating on this for months. I have thought about it every hour of every day, saying I need to get that done, I need to get that done, and I never freaking did it. But here I am getting it done. It's not fancy, but it's doing it. I am so excited and I hope you'll follow along. If you'd like to see more, please click the subscribe button below, like this video, and follow along for more.